Let's see when Rosalie tries Pop Rocks for the first time.
Okay, she's getting her own.
Alright, hey friends. Hey, this is our Willy Wonka moment. We are here at the Albanese Candy Factory in Merrillville, Indiana. We're gonna check it out. I think we have the golden ticket. And let me show you around what they have in here. They've been actually around for 30 years. And so what they specialize is gummy bears. So let's check it out. Let's go. As you can see, the outside looks like a house. Kid in a candy store. One of my favorites is Pop Rocks. Just don't drink them with Coke. Don't be like Mikey. Rumor had it that he died because of drinking Pop Rocks and Coke. I don't think it's true, but I wouldn't try it anyway. That's chocolate flowing down from the ceiling. I need one of those in my house. Hey Mark, what was your favorite like candies to eat like growing up? Or even
Reese's peanut butter cups.
Still the same today?
Still the same today, yeah.
I think when I was in 4th grade, I ate these all the time. And look at me now. I'm just fine. Oh, look at this. They got baseball gum and baseball bat. One of the cool things they have over here is actually they do have the Albanese factory. Want to show you? Okay, these are my favorite part of coming here. They're called gummy goof ups. So they're about half the price of what a normal. Look at that, $6.
$6.
Hey, you pay $6 at a movie theater and you get like 5 pieces. Look at that.
Seriously. Look, they have peach ones, but they taste like cherries.
That's tricky. So as you can see, we have some postcards. We love interacting with our fans. So if you support our channel, we'll send you some postcards in the mail monthly, signed by us. So if you're interested, there is a Patreon link in the description below. Growing up, what was one of your favorite like candies to eat?
I always liked the gummy worms, and I would split the colors apart so I could taste the flavors individually.
Oh, that's good. A big thing of Hershey's. Look, it's as big as my head. If you want to get your kids super sugared up, Pucker Power Candy Art. Oh, no way, Rosalie. Look how pretty these are. But those are sugar-free. If it says sugar-free, means it's Carl.L.G.free. I'm out of here. For those that are brave, do you want to eat Tabasco chocolate? I don't know. Look at that. Spicy chocolate.
In my basket, gummy bears for my friends, 6 lips, cocktails.
Giant.
Holy cow.
Peanut butter cups are.
That is not the diet version.
Not at all. Huge.
And
Happy Father's Day.
let's see when Rosalie tries Pop Rocks for the first time.
Okay, she's getting her own. She's like,
more.
go ahead.
Make sure to like and subscribe to the video down below. And hit that notification bell while you're at it. And until our next journey. Bye!